Assalamu alaikum, 9th class. Exercise number 17.2 and question number 2. We have to construct triangle PQR and to draw its altitudes and to show that they are congruent. Here side PR is given, PR or RP is given, which is 3.6 centimeters long. Angle Q is given, which is of 30 degree, and angle P is of 105 degree. In this question you see two angles are given, but the length of their included side is not given. That's why I have selected part 3 to do before you. You know the sum of three angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. So using this theory we can find out the third angle, which is angle R. Let's start our work. Measurement angle P plus measurement angle Q plus measurement angle R is equal to 180 degree. Now measurement of angle P is given, which is 105 degree, whereas measurement angle Q is 30 degree, and we have to find out angle R, which is missing. Now measurement angle R is equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree minus 30 degree, which means 180 degree minus 105 and 75 degree. 75 minus 30 degree is equal to 45 degree. Here I have drawn the triangle PQR with given measurements. Now I will extend QP and RP towards P. Similarly, QP note down this step as step number 1. Produce both QP and RP beyond P. Step number 2. From Q I will draw an altitude on RP, extended line. Keeping the needle of the compass at point Q, mark an arc which cuts RP produced at 2 points. With the help of these 2 points, I will find another point. Now draw QR QX perpendicular to RP. This point I will give the name X. Step number 2. From Q, comma, draw QX perpendicular to RP. In step number 3, I will keep the needle of the compass at point P and Again, mark an arc at RQ with the help of these 2 points. Find the center of these points and join P to the gun point and produce it backward, because the altitudes of an obtuse angle triangles always meet outside the triangle. Here the altitude Py intersects Qx produced at point O. Note down this step as from P, comma, draw Py perpendicular to opposite line RQ, comma, intersecting Qx, which was the previous altitude, at point O. Number 4, again using the third vertex, which is R, keep the needle of the compass at point R and mark an arc to cut QP produced, which is shown with red line. Mark an arc, and with these new 2 points find another point which is the center of these 2 points. Now join this new point to R. Now RZ is the third altitude, which is also passing through point O. From R, comma, draw RZ perpendicular to the opposite side of vertex R, which is QP. Passing through point O. Point O is orthocenter of triangle PQR. Remember that the point of congruency of the 3 altitudes of a triangle is called orthocenter. Now question is completed. You have to do part 1 and 2 accordingly. Allah Hafiz till tomorrow.